This tree is nature. This wet grass is nature. This lake is nature. This large abundance of trees next to the lake is also nature. This acorn is nature. This rock is nature. This pine cone I'm kicking is nature. Here we see a rock family. One rock has mated with the other and created a rock child. This is nature. My shadow is nature. This thing with a 23 on it is nature. This speed limit is nature. This artificial bear is nature. This public bench is nature. This stop sign is nature. This dumpster and these trash cans are nature. This key to my cabin is nature. These dogs who are happy to see me when I got home are nature. Say hi, dogs. Hello, dog. Large grass is nature. This bag of dog shit is nature. This poison ivy by our cabin is nature. These bicycles owned by our neighbors is nature. This wet beach is nature. This pile of geese shit is nature. This stump of a tree is nature. This frightening army of geese is nature. This basketball court is nature. Think you can take me, suckers? This slow children at play sign is nature. This stick I forgot here yesterday is nature. This chlorine-filled pool is nature. This water fountain that does not work is nature. These dogs going for a walk is nature. This overflow parking sign is nature. This faggot on the dock is nature. This going the wrong way is nature. This second overflow parking sign is nature. This possibly poisonous mushroom is nature. A gnome family that is all males, that is nature. An artificial dog, that is nature. This dark forest no one dares go into, that is nature. An abandoned traffic cone, that is nature. An artificial bear on a boat, that is nature. The second chlorine-filled pool, this is nature. The water fountains that actually do work, this is nature. This no diving allowed sign is nature. These pool rules are nature. This fountain that makes me have to urinate is nature. This small hill I'm about to climb on is nature. I am king of the world. This adorable family of geese is nature. A rival family of geese. Shit is about to hit the fan. A hammock where people usually like to smoke marijuana. This is nature. This can of off bug spray is nature. Motherfucking bootleg fireworks. This is nature. This nature is nature. This roadkill is nature. This train track is nature. This frog who doesn't have a goddamn care in the world is nature. This filthy ass hula hoop is nature. The dock I come to contemplate my life sometimes is nature. The stairs I climb back up after contemplating my life on the dock is nature. This flag I don't know what means is nature. This annoying ass music is nature. This pipe that leads right over here is nature. This telephone without the telephone is nature. This large abundance of logs is nature. Must have had White Castles. This small ass tree is nature. This green ass rock is nature. This crazy ass iron ice cream machine is nature. Give me my motherfucking ice cream, bitch. This 100-year-old park bench is nature. This hiking trail without any designated paths is nature. This fucked up artificial dog is nature. This, I don't know what to call it, but it's really fucked up thing is nature. These birdhouses are nature. This tree that looks like an anus is nature. These bikes I can easily steal right now are nature. Ah, fuck, this stick I left here yesterday is gone. This anorexic fire hydrant is nature. Turner! What did you do? Oh my god! What the hell? Ooh, what kind of a dog? Oh, what kind of a dog pisses this much? Durr!
This is nature.
This is fucking nature right here!